What happened?
Now would be a good time to
Release the post?
put another short.
I have to work for it first.
What do you mean work for it?
What are you saying about shorts? Each of those competition.
Like a longer, like a 10-second clip. Like if we clip, if you clipped, then it would be simple. The entire fight of the guy got knocked out.
Yeah.
That would get a lot of play by itself.
We're going to get the Christmas tree on the attic, huh?
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna put it up. Okay, so we're gonna put the Christmas tree today. We are very excited. This will be our second Christmas tree decoration here in Texas. It will be different because we'll be having a red Christmas tree. Red and gold. Yung theme natin this year. And I have some of the decorations that we buy from Hobby Lobby. So excited kasi this is something that the kids and I are, trying to make memories. How to decorate Christmas tree. I don't have anything pa in my mind what to do, how to do it. But hopefully I can do something better. Meron akong mga nakikitang video sa Facebook, mga shorts ba, but then of course, we wanted to be authentic. I'm gonna do Christmas decoration, my own decoration. Ano ba tawag din? Ako yung gagawa. Cook this bacon, guys, for breakfast. It's very late na, kay 10:45 in the morning. Uy, I have coffee for you, Papala. Wait lang, I'm gonna put this first. Then yung mga bata, they are already awake. Nasa room na sila. I told them to dress well. Dress well for this vlog. Naglalaro yung dalawa, guys. Ang laki ng bosses. Yeah. Grabe itong bacon. Very oily. Do you want to eat?
Sure.
Ito pala yung binili ko, guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo, ha? I'm trying to propagate rose that we bought from Sam's, yung bouquet ba, but I'm not really sure if this will survive. Meron nang lumabas, but this is a water propagation, so I'm not really sure if this is going to work, but if it is, then lucky me. If it's not, then what can I do, diba? So, meron din akong nabili from Facebook Marketplace. $5, pero binigyan niya ako ng marami, like a lot. I think I got the mother plant, 2 mother plants, and then she gave me 2 extra for $5 only. I'm like, oh, why not? Diba? And this is a very nice rose. I saw the picture that she sent me, and also this is a climbing rose, and you know me, I wanted to have many roses as much as possible. Bigyan muna natin ng coffee yung asawa ko kasi nag-work siya sa kanyang video. He's working. Very 4 kgs. Super. I wanted to see, you have YouTube studio in your phone, right? May mga ginagawa kami, guys. Hindi ako nag-vlog every single day, but we are working into something. So, my husband has a lot of following in YouTube, and we are working on it. Kasi, dami niyang mga pinopost, nagba-viral, guys, got millions of views. Bakit hindi natin pakikinabangan? Kailangan namin lang, we wanted to make sure na mag-monetize yung kanyang channel ba. But yeah, he got a lot of following in YouTube. Sa karate naman yun. Good morning!
Wait, misulod man siya sa...
Breakfast.
misulod man siya sa room ni tita. And then, I don't know, but nasuko ko for no reason.
ni Johnson.
Yeah, nasuko ko for no reason. And then,
No, chika muna. Chika,
and
chismis.
then, kuhan din siya. Then, wait. And then, at that point, na-feel bad ko niya. And then, mihad ko sa ref.
Ref?
Oh, kana, oh.
Oh, kani atong ref dito.
No, like itong isa ka ref, mihad ko dito. And then, ingon si Jansen.
So, utat yung Rochester, te.
Ingon si Jansen na,
Why not?
uy, okay raman niya, Ashley, uy. I just feel bad. Na may,
Question, how do you hide in a ref?
na may gap, huy. And I was tiny.
Right. Yashli's wearing the jacket we bought in we bought in
See, I don't
Rochester
need that- I don't need
Airport.
that
Look,
Telfast,
guys, it's so nice. I love it. It's not too thick.
You need to remove me away from that.
I should have buy myself one. I only got for the two of them. Ilagay ko na yung mga de-decorate natin today. Ito pala yung mga Christmas light last year. Gagamitin natin siya, guys. I tried it and sinubukan ko lang. Baka kasi hindi mag-work. But everything here, all the lights are still working. So that's really good to know. So, kaya kunin yung I cannot do it myself. Yung Christmas tree nasa attic kasi. Bigat nun. Yashli, come over. Open natin yung box. That's because nilagyan ko kasi yun ng guys. Let's open all the light. Anyway. Scam sila na to. I'm gonna open this box.
My black
Because I closed this last. Okay. Yashli, come over here and help. Tadaan! Oh my gosh, this is very exciting. Hindi na ba ito? Last year pa man ang Christmas tree.
Oh, hindi putos lagi.
Of course. So excited ko kay red tayo itong theme. This year, it's red. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's heavy. Okay, I'm gonna move this so we can, because the box is big. Oh, there you go. Hinahanap ko yung mga Christmas balls from the last year.
Well, last year gold to us.
Gold and white. So this year will be a red and gold. Two combinations lang kay because mahal mo naman yung mga ornaments. Ornaments are so expensive.
Napagay white also that.
No, I'm not gonna use white. I'm gonna use gold and red.
Ano was it? So, kani ako na.
There's number. This one is number 2.
Hello. Ang fakes na.
Yay! Oh, scoop siya kamay.
I-spread na.
Love it, love it, love it.
What is
Yeah, number 2.
Oh, dito I think. Bro.
What? Wow!
Ow! Bangko.
Tapos mo lang, fire, please.
And fake campfire.
You have to remove it too. See?
Oh.
Spark. I'm gonna use this, the star. If you wanna put it first, we can. No, we can put it later na. So, binili namin to, guys. Wala pala siyang kasamang So, maglalagay kami ng, we're gonna put,
What we did last year.
yeah, what we did last year.
Wait.
Okay. Okay, help ate. Wow. Marunong ka. Guys, ganito po kami ka-messy. After the decoration, ang ganda, tingnan, di ba? Pero behind the scene,
It's normal that every family.
behind the scene, look at this, yung mga balls,
The ball is like
everything, and this, and everything. Ganito lang yan, guys. But later on, when we put everything in reels, it will be very clean. But, you know, the reality is, ay, sagbot everywhere. So, you know already who's the second child who ran away na. Tinamad na. Oh, di ba? Tumawa. She was like, okay, I'm done here. I'm already done with my part. So, it's me and Nicole doing this big, decoration, Christmas decoration for our Christmas tree. Alright, let's kapoy ko. Because there are like, how many left? 3. Diri mo more kay diri man gud ang makita kayo. So we have to put it more here on this side. That on that back side doesn't matter. You won't see it anyway. Kita. This is how you design. This is how you decorate your Christmas tree, guys. Don't put your decoration at the back of the Christmas tree because it's not seen anyway. Hindi naman siya nakikita. So what you have to do to minimize all your decoration, make sure that you put everything, just put it somewhere where people can see your Christmas tree. The design at the back nga, hindi na yan nakikita. So, it doesn't matter. Alright, so okay guys, I'm so sorry. We have started putting everything, but then I realized last year when we made the decoration of our Christmas tree, I put the ribbon first because hindi ko na maalala yung mga ginagawa ko last year. So I'm just letting them, okay, go, put everything. But then I realized we have to put the ribbon first. So after that, that's when we put like all the ornaments. Kasi pag last na yung ribbon, mahihirapan ako find a place where I should put the ribbon. So dapat ribbon pala first before everything. Okay? So, yeah. Pagod na si Nicole. You know, for people who really wanted to make their Christmas tree beautiful, ribbon has a big effect. I just saw that video last year na pinapalo ko, and then it's really amazing to make a ribbon for your Christmas tree. Kasi yung last year guys, maganda yung pagkagawa. Actually, na-appreciate yun ng mga viewers ko. Nag-put ako ng video, reels ata yung a lot of people commenting about it and says it's beautiful. So I like, okay. And that's the first time that I created a Christmas tree that beautiful. So, okay, last. Konti na lang. Small thing. Kung gagawa sa ribbon. So I have this and then this. I showed this sa last na video natin guys when I did a shopping haul. I couldn't find a gold ribbon. So, ito lang yung available sa Hobby Lobby. So, we're gonna use this one. I'm sure this will look good. Alam ko naman, this will look good. So, let's hold it on. Right. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I was like thinking of doing both together, but I don't think it will be a good idea, but we'll see. I'm already finished putting the ribbon, guys. This is how it look like. Nice, diba? I love it when there's ribbon. I'm sweating. Okay. We've been doing this for like what? An hour na. Okay. It all turns to almost done. You said you wanted to put the ano, te? The star? Oh. Do you want to put the star? Ikapoy na ba? Tama na. I think the last thing that we have to put is ang ako ang it's not that. Uy, napakali may dagang red. Oh no, I thought we're done with red. Pero oh, you have so much red.
I can arrange that.
Huh?
Okay, I can arrange.
Careful.
Okay.
Oh.
Where's the...
Pero oh. Isara na na. Yung lubot.
Na...
I can't. Oh, I'll do it.
It's not.
Okay, ako na lang kahit. Guys! Ganda ng Christmas tree. This is really fun, but it's very tiring. Ano lang yung naiwan, guys. Dito si Nicole, but wala na. Di kapoy. Hala ka! We still have two! You remember? Nicole? You remember yung akong isipa? Meron pa pala. Okay. Alright, let's put it all. So, we will be done. Kaya I'm already worn out. Really. Kapoy na ko. Anyway, ito na lang last. We have to like carry it dito para malagay namin itong ganito. Yeah, later na. Wait, I need to finish this. Kay I have to be done. Come on, Nicole, help me.
Imagine ilang
Super mess, super mess. Butang na to siya diri ba? I-arsa na to siya.
Oh.
Kaya?
Wait, how do I?
How do I? Dapat ang likod ka ng mali ulit.
What? Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ay, halap bukat mo siya, no? Ito, mapalima ka na. Sige.
Yung sa
Sige.
sige, last time.
Sige, sige. Sige.
Ibutang ta na ito na una.
Ay, daily. Sige, go. Tarawa ko.
Oh! Obviously. Hoy, may dance ang kahoy!
Sige, slow down.
So, I don't like this. It's uncomfortable.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. You move.
Bruh!
More.
Umibutang ganun.
What
is Bro sending
Wow,
me?
bakit sabi mo ego? Bakit hindi?
What is-
What can you say about our Christmas tree?
It's very good, guys. I really been this. Like, I know I'm so good. Like, look at this.
Liar.
Lying assassin.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Ay, so it's not nice?
No, it's nice. It's fantastic.
I did
What's
that.
missing?
Uh,
Gift.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Gifts. The presents underneath.
We are done finally, guys. This is how it look like. Christmas! Merry Christmas in advance. It's so nice. There you go. Our Christmas tree decoration this year. Nagutom ako, guys. Nagutom. Gawa tayo ng chicken sandwich. Kasi nagutom ako. So, ow. Let's eat it. Sliced bread. And then, meron tayong chicken dito. Binili namin ito sa Sam's nung nakaraan. Hindi kami nagtatapon ng mga ano, guys. Pag may leftover kami, kailangan namin ubusin. Kasi sayang. Ako naman kakain ito, so don't worry. Nagutom talaga ako. As in, ilang oras ba ako naglalagay nun? Hindi naman marami yung nilagay ko sana, pero ang tagal ko natapos. Nag-ulit kasi kami, guys. Umulit, nag-undo. Kasi mali. Anyway. Gawan ko na rin ng sandwich. Sourdough. Nicole, paglungag diri te. Paglungag og kanon. Gina. Sandwich, you want? Okay.
And then water over it.
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing.